We are observing a student being late for class. This lecture hall causes many problems and is not interactive between professors and students. As you can see, the students are having trouble concentrating on the lecture, and they are fooling around. Students tend to leave in the middle of the lecture due to boredom. As the student enters the lecture hall, the desks allows her to move around freely. The touchscreen application is on standby mode. Once the student touches the screen, she is able to log into the SFU system. Attendance is automatically taken for participation marks, which encourages the students to come to the lecture. Once the student logs in, she chooses her lecture. This brings her to the course homepage to access course content. This control panel serves 4 main functions: about the course, notes, recorder and speaker, and pop-up. When the lecture begins, the student is able to follow the lecture slides on her screen by pressing the Notes tab. The student can record the lecture presentation by pressing the Record button, so she can review notes after the lecture. She can ask questions by selecting the microphone option, and can adjust the volume of the microphone. The student presses the pop-up button, activating the keypad and hologram. She transfers an image to another student. File sharing allows the transfer of ideas and knowledge, which contributes to the interaction between students, TAs, and instructors. We can see the hologram pop up from a different perspective. Students can log out by selecting the Log Out button at the top right corner, which brings them back to the login screen. During the lecture, students type questions and drag it into the chat room. Students can vote for questions by using the Like button. The instructor will answer the questions selected by the TA. While the professor writes at the front of the room, the content is automatically projected on the student's hologram. The students can now be heard by using either the transfer message on screen system or by using the speaker to amplify their voices in their classroom. With the new desk, students learn better by doing than by listening alone.